If you want to learn how to quickly and easily create catchy thumbnails in your video using CapCut, watch this video. So let's get right to it. So let's say we have this video on our timeline and I want to use this particular frame of the video. So what do? One way to do it, which I like to do, is use it right within the timeline. So I'm gonna click on edit, add a text right over here, and I'm just gonna put thumbnail in here. And then I will scroll down until I see this little yellow box. I like it because it stands out within this particular frame. And then also I can go to the stickers and add a emoji. Let's just say this one for right now. And then I'll add it right here. I'll slow it down right in the face, and then this right here becomes my thumbnail, which is part of the video. However, if I want to use this on my YouTube and enter it in as a thumbnail, I can click on this little three dots, export it as a still frame, and I'm going to download it right to my download folder. Click on export, and within a couple of seconds it exported it. So let's go to my download folder, and here it is. So this gives you a lot more flexibility to create easy catching thumbnails. If you like this video, follow me right here and so that you become a video expert.